Welcome to this exam series. Today I want us to solve a question. This question is based on a topic called inequalities. So without wasting time, let me read the question out. Solve absolute value of x minus 3 is less than 2. Now, if you want to do something like this, I'm going to show you a very fast way of doing it. So that fast way of doing it is that once you see less than, when you see less than, you are allowed to split. So what I mean by split is that because there is less than, so what I'm going to do, this number 2, I can split it. So it will become minus 2 on the left, and it will become 2 on the right. So when you see less than alone, don't forget, you can split. So this 2 will become minus 2 on the left, and this 2 will become 2 on the right. So this one will not go inside, okay? All right. So from here now, what do? Watch. You know that I'm looking for x, right? So the only way I can look for x is to find a way to remove minus 3. And the best way to remove minus 3 is to add 3. Because when you add 3, guess what? This one becomes. I know in mathematics, whatever you do to something here, you have to do it to other sides too, okay? Plus 3. You do it to other sides as well. So now let's continue. So I've called this already, so x is left. Now what is minus 2 plus 3? That will give you 1. What is 2 plus 3? That will give you 5. And that's all. Like, this is the final answer. Don't forget what I told you. You can split if you have a less than. Now the other way is this. That way is longer, okay? So see what you do. This absolute value, you're going to turn it to the positive interval, which is plus x minus 3, and the negative interval, which is minus this, then less than 2 and less than 2. So let's start with the first one. Say when the positive side is less than 2. So let's solve this one. That means that plus x minus 3 is less than 2. So when this one comes out, this will give you x is less than 5. I think that one's clear. The negative again, when negative x minus 3 is less than 2. So from here, if you open the bracket, you have minus x plus 3 is less than 2. So this one can come out. So I'm going to have is minus x is less than 2 minus 3, and minus x is less than minus 1. So one small thing you can do here is that you can multiply both sides by minus 1. Minus 1 here and minus 1 here, okay? All right, so minus and minus is plus, obviously. So x times 1 will give you x. But remember, I'm multiplying by a negative number. That means this inequality symbol, it will change. Why? Because I'm multiplying by a negative number. But if you're multiplying by a positive number, nothing will happen. But if you multiply by a negative number, this sign will change. Okay, so let's continue. Minus 1 times minus 1. What would that give you? Plus 1. So you can see now I have my answer. So what's the first answer? This one. What's the second answer? Okay, let's bring them close to each other. So what I'm saying now is that let me write it here. I'm saying x is greater than 1, comma. I'm also saying x is less than 5. You can see that it's close to what we got, but let me just change it. Now, if your x is more than 1, that means that 1 is less than x. It's just like simple arithmetic. If x is more than 1, let me get the word. If x is more than 1, that means that 1 is less than x. Do you understand? So this one can just join them. So that will be 1 is less than x and x is less than 5. You can see that the answer is still back. So this one is kind of longer, you understand, but this one is shorter. So when you see less than, just split. So this number will just split, okay? But if you see greater than, don't split, please. So that's all for now. Okay, thank you and bye.